Hey guys, good morning. I'm going to introduce about the CPA Books functions, and it will take around 20 to 30 minutes. This video is for the person who is going to buy the CPA Books and wants to know the, detail about CPA Books and how it works, and also the person who wish to know about the tutorials. So because little bit detail level will be going. Anyway, let's start. So this accounting function mainly. This is accounting. It is independent accounting function. It has independent accounting function where you can have a profit and loss account, balance sheet, customers invoice, vendor invoice, and all. Okay, and we have here sales. Here you can generate sales order, quotation, delivery note, and all. If you wish to maintain means inventory, this inventory is here. So in that case, you have to go to the sales function and generate the sales order and quotation and delivery note. So it happens in a single click. You don't need to make all three steps. You will just click and automatically will generate. This is the sales, and same vice versa as we have the purchase function here. You can see this is purchase. So many functions are here, apps are here, but all not for you. Which one you are looking for and which is best fit for your company, that you can take, or we can discuss for your best design. So all you don't need it. So main functions we have accounting, sales, and purchase. Okay. Along with it, we have additionally payroll integrated. This payroll you can complete your employee detail, employee salary detail, address detail, visa, passport, and MLS ID, and all you can keep control in this system. And this payroll is also integrated with this job costing. Means if you are a contracting based project, so that you can get the job number. Let's say you have a project in Dubai, you have a project in Abu Dhabi. You can allocate person-wise cost, means project-wise cost for a person. If you have 100 people, you can allocate them. And here is the timesheet. You can put the timesheet, 8 hours where they have spent, or with the overtime. Standard time in UAE is 8 hours. So 8 hours where they have spent an additional time in case overtime is there. So you can book them also. So this is the project also interlinked with this payroll, job costing, and CRM. Okay, and also we understand this accounting associated with purchase and sales. And we have some more options here and choices you can make. And I want to explain one more point here. It's very good. Digitalizing your company is more important here. Like this is documents. This documents having complete and independent documentation system. Like you can, you are going to file your documents hard copy, and after 1 year, 2 years, you are not able to manage and find your documents because huge documents you are unable to find, and you need to shift another place. Like so many people I have seen that in Abu Dhabi, they are sending documents in Align because Align has ship cost and they are buying the store, or like renting the store and putting there. So it's like a loss of arrangement and cost associated. So leave everything. You just do the documents management here, and you will get a scan copy. And whatever invoices you have booked, that documents already will generate, and it will show in the system. And also you can scan your documents. Let's say you have a VAT, tax, receipts, and deposits, during finance, visa cost, visa deposit. Also you have all those. You can make a folder like employee, and then employee have visa cost. So you can put the visa cost, scan document, visa document, passport document, MLS ID document. All you can put in. You can make a folder called like your Office ABC. Inside you can make folders like finance, accounts, HR. Then in HR you go to the employee detail, like you then under the employee you can make that visa cost first, no, not visa cost, sorry, visa scan copy document, like Emirates ID scan copy. Whenever you are making the documents, then you can tag them, this document for whom. So Mr. X, so you can put contact person Mr. X. So all documents will fall into the Mr. X account. So anytime you can search with a Mr. X, then you will find his visa copy, passport copy, and Emirates ID, and your let's say salary slip. If you want, everything you can connect with the person. Okay, this is very good for this company. This we offer to all. You can use it, and it is depending on the cloud server uses. So not much charges we are charging for the cloud. It is actual based we are charging. There is you can compare with our cost once you heard the rate from the customer from our team. All right, let's go to the accounting. I will show you. This is accounting. Now, if someone do not like to continue next, so you can leave now. Otherwise, you can stay with me and just spend a few minutes, so that then you will have good understanding about the CPA books before you buy. So don't bother if later on you buy that, no, I didn't know what is it, how it is happening, how it functions. So let's carry on with me. This is accounting function here. I'm going to accounting function, and then I'm going to show you the first invoice. First invoice we can let's get started from here. Bank detail we can add here, accounting period we can set here, chart of accounts we can see here. So this is like a dashboard comes from here. This is the dashboard. This detailed ledgers and all are coming, like your new invoice, customers, vendor bills and all, and bank, miscellaneous operations, all some other ledgers, whatever you like to monitor in the dashboard, you can find them here and you can add them here. Okay, let's go to customer. I always suggest let's go from the customer invoices here and generate the invoice. Okay, I already have done some customers here, so I'm just showing you new. This create. Let's say customer. You can select the customer. Let's say customer. Again, I'm making this CPA books. Okay. Okay. Let's make it Macrobert. Macrobert Associates. Then I'm making a product like let's say pipe installation. I made on product like pipe installation. Okay, here, and then analytical account will help you to identify the project. Let's say I made a project 3 Abu Dhabi customers, like that. Whatever you like, you can put. Let's say 10 quantity, and here units, dozen, whatever you like, pieces you can put, and price. Let's say 60,000. That means 600,000 is coming. You can add more lines here. So it is like more likely glass door, 20 mm white and wall. Project, let's say you can put another project also. I'm putting another project. So this is 5 quantity, and then we can say, let's say 10,000 each. Okay. So now it is 682,000. It's good money. Save. And then confirm it here, then you will be able to see the invoice. Come to this print and download the invoice. Download means it's very easy and simple. You just click on the invoice, then it will come. And then you click this invoice. So it looks like this is the invoice. It's coming beautiful format. In beautiful format, and this also we have some more formats. We can recommend that also. Also we can see in some format style for you, okay, in case you want. Okay, and then this invoice is done, and then you want to make the payment against this invoice. Let's register payment. Okay, I'm making this payment bank through or cash. You can make, let's say bank, and that guy is not paying 682,000, paying 500,000. Okay, you want to keep I open 182,000, keep open. And if you say mark fully adjusted, he does not like to, that company does not like to give you the payment, so you can adjust with this write off option. You can choose the select the your write off laser here. Okay, so let's say we should not leave this money, it is too much, keep it open. that much money we cannot give as free. So 500,000 create payment. Okay. Now one guy partially paid, partial, and full paid will come as a paid or in payment. Okay. Let's go back to the invoice. This all invoices coming here. Here 682,000 we made the invoice and it is showing total amount. But you want to know how much we have paid. Now they have paid. So we can see here. Here are some options you can choose. This amount due. So then you can see here amount due is coming 182,500 is due. Okay. Additionally, you can download the receipts from here, payments, and then this 500 go to this one, and then find out the receipt voucher from here. Go print and print receipt. See, so beautiful receipts with all the information 500 you have received, and here invoice number, and you can put the check number, date in this memo. Okay, and then see how is the invoice number 1. If you have 2 invoice, 3 invoice, 4 invoice, you can put together, and 682 out of they have paid 500,000. You have a balance 182,000. This is at a glance you can get the information from your invoice entry screen itself. Okay, and also some customers I have seen, they are asking about this is very detailed video and tutorial, because so many people are requesting. So we are making like this. So if you are more interested about the CPA books, then you can stay with us. Otherwise, it is not for you. So I always suggest, before you make any mistake for the decision, you have a look at all the functions with us. And let's go here. I saw some people asking, on the invoice shows the payment detail. Additionally, in addition to the receipt voucher. Okay. So this is the one here. You can see the receipt voucher, not receipt voucher. It's coming without payment, like 650 and tax added. 682 is total amount. Okay. This is actually invoice without payment. But this invoice you get before the payment, without payment. But now you will get with the payment. That's what 2 options here available. See here how beautifully it is showing 500,000 paid here and 182,000. This is not applicable for the big or corporate business. It is applicable for the small businesses. Okay. Now just means applicable in sense of the payment invoice, because everyone corporate business, they are not bothering about the payment detail in the invoice. They are looking for the receipt voucher only. So we have both the options, both the choices you can apply. Okay, let's go and make the vendor bills. Here only in the accounting function, I am going to the bills here, vendor bills. Vendor bills I already have entered some, then I am again creating on for you so that you can see vendor bills here. Let's say again I am making vendor, any vendor you can make. For now I am making this Macrobot again, and then bill reference they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So job cost center project you can enter here, and also bill date, accounting date, due date sometime people are paying after 30 days, 40 days, also terms. You can put here 45 days, 30 days, whatever you like. You can put it here, or immediate, anything you can put it here, your terms. Also here is terms and conditions. You can put here whatever you like. Here's text you can accommodate here. Okay, let me now go add the line. So I'm adding a product called, let's say again glass doors and wall coming here. Okay, I'm just putting here glass door, and then analytical account means it is your project account, so it is connected with that. Let's say I'm putting this on project customer, project. Let's say this is 40,000 quantity. Let's make 3. So now it comes like 120,000. Now I will go to add If you do like to add the line. If you do not like, then you can save and print. I'm adding on more so that it looks like more good. So blue item I'm putting here. Then project, I'm using this another project also for this case. So then 6 items quantity, and let's say 4,000 piece. So total coming now 151,000 including your tax. Okay, save and confirm here. Okay, so once you confirm, then go for print. Without confirmation also you can print, but it will show as draft. Okay, this is the one as bill looks like this. It is CPA Books, means it is your logo, not CPA Books logo. I just put it as customer and vendor. This is the company will use, the logo is here. So this is your vendor, and the vendor bill number is here. See how old it is and showing, visualizing in perfect way. And also terms and conditions you can put, and it will display here. This is a bill vouchers booking. Now you have a questions. I have booked the bills, but where is the purchase order, RFQ and all? I have booked the invoices. So where is the quotation, sales order, delivery note and all. This is not in the accounting function. It is independently separate module, but it is integrated here. Once I will make their sales order, quotation and all, final invoice will drop here only. I will show you. Let's go back. Let's go back to the dashboard. And then as I told before, this accounting, let's go up right. Maybe it will stay in different place, but for now it is showing sales is here. Okay, sales, let's go to the sales, create the quotation. And now I'm making customer again this macrobot associates, and then add the product now here. So if you see, this is glass door. I'm making 20 items, and packaging, no, we don't use this one. If someone needed, they can use the packages. Okay, unit price, let's say 30,000. 3,000, and it comes like 60,000. One more product. But see, this graph shows that you do not have product in stock. This one, can you see this? See here, no forecast, no stock available for this one. If you have a green dashboard and green graph here, that means you have stock. So that is different time. I will show you. Let's say this is 5 installation. One more product we made, like with P starting. Plunder box. So we made some plunder box with stock. Yeah, see this graph is coming as green. So you can blue color. See, this is 50 units we have stock. So let's say 10 units we are going to sell now. 10 units, let's say 60,000 price each. So how much? That's 600,000. Okay. And now I'm saving it. So this, if you wish to control your system that do not accept this red color, that also we have control system at the back end. We can give you that access. And also if you allow to access, get approved this quotation, that is also possible. Okay, let's save it. Save it. Now you are able to print the quotation here. See. Go here, see this beautiful quotation number is coming here, and this is the vendor name, customer name, glass door on plunder, and also it's coming total amount, and tax 5% on 660,000, so total 693,000 is coming here. Okay, this beautiful format is coming for you. So let's go and confirm this on. Let's say customer has confirmed this quotation. So we confirmed it. Nothing to invoice. Oh my God. There is nothing to invoice. Not like that. It is showing nothing to invoice. Why it is showing like that? So we must have something to invoice. So confirm, let's try again. You should modify the invoices policy and product. It shouldn't be like this. Let me edit again. Again editing, and then save again, and then confirm. No, it's not happening. In this case, what to do now? Some things we have to configure at the back end. Confirm. No. Let me try it again. Okay. I'm going to make the same document. Action, duplicate. And let's change the item in case any issues with the item. As good and all we go now, because configuration, little bit configuration we may need to do. Okay, and then vendor also remove, let's say this 5 installation. Okay, let's say 4,000. Let's say 40,000. So total is coming 609,000. Save, and then confirm. Oh my God, it's not working. Let me check this issue. I'll make another video for this. So the London cart it. Then start from the next video.